Hello students, welcome in this session. Today we are going to learn how to apply the simultaneous linear equations in our daily life. For that, this example I have taken. On the first day of the sale of the tickets of drama, 35 tickets in all were sold. If the rates of the tickets were rupees 20 and rupees 40 per ticket and the total collection was rupees 900. Find the number of tickets sold of each rate. Nowadays everyone watch movie, but here the example is given of drama, and there are two different type of tickets are there. Their rates are different. Here rupees 20 and here rupees 40. But how many tickets they sold, it is not given. So for that unknown number we have to consider any variables. So let x number of tickets, x number of tickets of rate 20 and y number of tickets of rate rupees 40 be sold. Now from the first condition, from the first condition we have to write the equation. If you are not understanding what is given here, you have to break the sentence. Now see here, on the first day of the sale of tickets of a drama, 35 tickets in all were sold. Means total number of tickets is 35 sold. Means x number of tickets of rate 20 and y number of tickets of rate 40 they were sold, and it is the total, means the sum of all these tickets is 35. So from the first condition we can write, from the first condition we can write x plus y is equal to 35. This is equation number 1, because total number of tickets they were sold 35. Now the second condition, see your second sentence, if the rates of the tickets were sold rupees 20 and rupees 40 per ticket and the total collection was rupees 900. Means after selling x number of tickets of rupees 20 and y number of tickets of 40, they got here total amount or the total collection is rupees 900. So after selling x number of tickets of rupees 20, they will get the amount 20x, because x number of tickets and the rate is 20. If you are not understanding, see this example. If the cost of this one pen is 5 rupees and if we will sell 10 pens, then after selling we will get 10 into 5, that is 50 rupees. Similarly here also, if they sold x number of tickets of rupees 20, then they will get the amount x into 20, that is 20x, and similarly y number of tickets of rate 40, so the total amount is 40y. So from the second condition we can write, from the second condition we can write here 20x plus 40y is equal to 900, because they got the amount, total amount 900. That is equation number 2. Now see here in the second equation, we can write the second equation in the simplest form or lowest form. When we divide this each number by 20, or if you are not understanding, first you divide by 10, then means this 110 will cancel and you will get dividing by 10, we will get the equation here 2x plus 4y is equal to 90. Again here 2, 4 and 90, this number is divisible by 2. So divide this equation again by 2. Dividing by 2. Therefore we can get x plus 2y is equal to 45. This is equation number 3. Now see here in equation 1 and equation number 3, their coefficients of x term is same. So we can eliminate easily x term. Now the coefficient of x term is same with the same sign, and when the signs are same, then we have to subtract. Therefore, subtracting equation 1 and 3, we can get here x plus y is equal to 35. This is equation number 1, minus equation number 3 is x plus 2y, it is equal to 45. And here subtraction, because of this subtraction all signs of the second equation will be changed. So here minus, and here also minus. So x minus x, it is 0. Y minus 2y, y means here 1y minus 2y, that is minus 1. Difference between these two numbers, that is 1 only. And we have to give the bigger number sign. So that's why here minus y. Similarly here 35 minus 45, it's minus 10. Therefore this minus sign will cancel. You will get y is equal to 10. Now we have to substitute this value of 10, substituting y is equal to 10 in equation 1, 2 or 3, in equation number 3. Therefore x plus 2 into y, that is 10. Y, the value of 5 we got 10 here, it is equal to 45. Therefore x plus 20, it is equal to 45. Therefore x is equal to 45 minus 20, which is equal to 25. So we got the values of x and y. X is equal to 25 and y is equal to 10, which are the number of tickets of this different rate. And that's why we have to write the last answer, which is the solution of the equation. Therefore 25 tickets of rate rupees 20 and 10 tickets of rate rupees 40 were sold on the first day of the drama. So here most important part is in these equations. First we have to frame the equations from the given information, and then easily we can solve these equations by any method. I hope you have understood this whole method, how to solve the equations.